Welcome to Chef Nana's Kitchen. Today we're going to make a hot pepper calzone. So we got the prosciutto, the Italian salamis, and you can, the prosciutto you can cut in smaller pieces, and you got the pepperoni, and like I said, you can put ham or anything you want in there. This is the Italian version, and then I got the hot jalapeno peppers sliced thin, and a little bit of onion. So what we're doing is we're adding 1 cup of flour. It's very, very easy. And then a 1/4 cup of warm water with yeast, 1 teaspoon of yeast, a little pinch of salt, and a little pinch of sugar. You don't need that much because it's only 1 cup of flour. A little at a time the water. Okay. You're gonna knead the dough. Work it with your hands. Okay, now we got a nice little round ball. Put a little bit of olive oil in the pan here, and a little bit on there, and just kind of rub it on there. Rub the oil on there. Put it in the bowl. Now, what I'm doing here is I'm covering the dough ball in a steel container with aluminum foil on top. And I don't like putting a towel or anything or saran wrap in the oven, because if you actually turn the oven on, you're going to have an accident there. So this is safe. It's a steel bowl, aluminum foil. And you put it in the oven rack, or the top rack, with the light on in the oven. So you figure about a half hour to an hour, let it sit in there and the dough will rise, and then we're ready to make the calzone. Okay, and we got the dough out, and we're just gonna roll it out, stretch it out with a little flour. Came out okay, put it in the oven, just with the oven light on, for about an hour. It hasn't really been an hour, but okay, then we just stretch it up. So now we put the cheese on there, and then we put the peppers and onions on there. And just lay them out this way, because you're going to be cutting this way when you cut the slices. So, put them sideways. A little bit more cheese on this side here. Okay, now we start putting all the salamis. And the prosciutto, I cut in smaller pieces, so it'd be easier to eat. I would put a little olive oil, just very little, and then the marinara sauce. You don't want to put too much because then it'll be too runny, but this will be nice and juicy. Okay, now we got that. Now we load up on the cheese. And then with a brush, I'll brush the outside like that. So this will stick together. Now we take it and we roll it and we fold it. And you just seal it the best you can. Now some people take a fork. I just push it with my fingers and then roll it. Parchment paper, like that. Okay, then we got to make a couple slots, but don't go all the way to the bottom, just kind of go halfway. Then we put a little bit of sauce on there. A little bit of garlic, not much. Okay. A little bit of the cheeser. And Italian spices. Okay, and it's ready to go in the oven. 425 for 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, here we go. Gotta cook that. How does that look? Beautiful. Okay, now it's time to test it out. I just cut here. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? If you like that, subscribe. Sauce on there. Very delicious, cheesy, nice soft dough. Thumbs up.